Hello, my name is Sergio Morello, and today I'm gonna show you in this video the technical part for Homework 9. So what we're gonna do is show how to customize a window in Adempiere and also how to create a process generate model and send an email through Adempiere. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna show how to do the configuration of the default logic. So we can go to minutes of meeting, and then we can see here how some of them are open and others are closed for the discussion detail. Over here, the status open, close, open, open. So for pending discussion, we'll have all those that are still pending, and this Adempiere does it by default because of this default logic. Alright, now I've logged in Adempiere as a system, and I can show here this is a new window. I've created this window from a previous existing window, so we can open it, and it's exactly the same one as the minutes of meeting that we created. Now let's go to the next thing. Now the next thing that I want to show is how to the configuration of the lookup record. So we can go over here, open this window, and we can go to edit and lookup record, and this allows us to just look for whatever we need. Now the next thing that we want to look at is how to the dynamic validation. So with the dynamic validations, what we've done is go to system, and then under the table CMAM, and then discussion line, and in the column CMAM ID, we established a dynamic validation. So whenever we open the minutes of meeting, we can go over here, and for the MAM status, we only have 4. That's because we're just using these 4, the ID of these 4, so we don't have anything repeated. Now the next thing we want to look at is the customizing the default print format of a window. So to see the new format for a report, we can go over here, select one of these, open it, and then we can go here and select report, and it should be here, and we can see here the new format whenever it's printing the report. So now to generate the model, we're gonna go to Eclipse, and we can see here the generate model, and I've already did multiple times, and now we should be able to see under or compare model the different tables that we've created. I have here XSIM, CMAM discussion line, CMAM participants line, CMAM CMAM view, and CMAM status, and then this will allow us to be able to create a process to send an email. So now the next thing that we can look at is how to create a callout process. So this callout map, what it's gonna do is whenever we add data in the minutes of meeting, in the item over here, then will be added automatically. So if now I create a new one, we'll have number 2. If I create another one, we'll have a number 3. That's what the callout process does. Now what we want to look is how to modify the hooks for a model and how to create a process to be able to send an email. So we're gonna create a new Java class, and mam is gonna be under org compare model, and with this what we're gonna do is extend this class cmam, and then with this code we're gonna have the client info send mail to participants with this, and we can see over here with this we get all the participants from the database, send the individual email to the participant. It's gonna be looking for the CMAM ID, and then over here we can see this is gonna be the message that we're gonna be sending. Hi to the name of the MAM ID has been updated in the system. Following is the agenda mentioned in the agenda that we're gonna write in Adempiere, and then thank you and have a great day. And this will happen every time we save a new record in the minutes of meeting table or window in Adempiere. And then send mom mail is just the process to be able to click on the bottom of the process and send the email. So I'm just gonna show this in Adempiere. Alright, so first we wanna make sure that we have deactivated the antivirus, and then we also wanna make sure we have the webmail with the settings that are necessary, like changing some of the settings. So now we'll go to Adempiere, and we can see here the process send my mail. We can click over here and send one of the mails here. I think this one is my email, so now once this is done we can check if this works. Alright, click OK, and now we'll be able to go over here, and here it is, the new email with the message. We could also go over here, make some changes in the agenda, put something final test, and well, I'm gonna put for another user for this one, that way I don't bother anyone. So we can open this now, we can choose this one, make some adjustment like finish school, and then once we click save, I'll receive an email in my account. So yeah, now we can go check here, and we see this email with the agenda finish school. So yeah, hope this is helpful, and thank you so much.